Hey guys, it's Niveda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking with my mom. I, for the most part, on a regular basis, only cook Western cuisine, so Americanized foods. And my mom, for the most part, regularly cooks Indian food. I thought it would be cool if I showed my mom a few very easy Western-like recipes, and in turn my mom would show me a very quick and easy Indian recipe. I, of course, am terrible at creating my own recipes, so I was going to show my mom of my favorite purple carrot recipes. A quick thank you to Purple Carrot for sponsoring this video. Purple Carrot is a 100% plant-based meal delivery service, so you can order the meals that you want and have them delivered to your doors. Every delivery comes with the meals that you chose, all the ingredients needed exactly for that meal, and then a step-by-step instruction guide with pictures included. You can pick between something like quick and easy meals or high protein or even chef's choice meals for each week. It's perfect for someone like me who is vegan and also extremely busy and oftentimes don't have enough time to make a decent meal or at least a unique meal whenever I come home to cook. With Purple Carrot, I have all the ingredients I need, a quick 30-minute, usually less, recipe already laid out for me, and it's just so convenient, so easy, and very delicious. If you guys are interested in Purple Carrot, please keep watching and don't forget to check out the description box below for a link. All right, let's get started. Okay, our first recipe is going to be Parmesan Milky with melted summer squash and basil. Number one, prepare the produce. In every Purple Carrot recipe, they give you all the ingredients pre-measured to cook that specific meal. So this is in a bag, and then they also gave fresh basil. Peel and thinly slice the garlic.
Do you have the garlic?
Yes. I don't like cutting garlic, so I need garlic at Panokia.
That's easy peasy.
And then summer squash, vegan parmesan, vegan butter, lemon, some spices, and then the vegan gnocchi mix.
Where's the garlic?
Garlic I brought.
How much?
They provided the garlic too. I just put it away.
How much garlic do you need? How many?
3 cloves of garlic.
Let's get to work, Mama.
This is my food cycler, so it's an at-home composting system, and you basically just put the bucket in here, and it takes like 3 hours to compost whatever food waste that you put in there. So I literally throw whatever is waste and would normally go in the garbage into here. It's amazing, and it turns into essentially soil afterwards. Cook until the garlic is lightly browned.
I love the smell of garlic, roasted garlic.
Add the sliced summer squash to the hot skillet. Cook until lightly browned in places, about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, this is vegan butter. So much better.
Drop the gnocchi. Plump goes the gnocchi.
How come I the tried put yeah.
Let's try.
Cheers. I like it.
It's good. What was the red powder that was it spice?
Aleppo pepper flakes.
Very nice. I would have added more spice to it, probably when I'm cooking, but it's good. It's like eating in a restaurant, Italian restaurant. Fancy, right? And the vegetables are really good. You know what I liked about it? They had step-by-step pictures showing us Like, you know, even you just, instead of just reading it or writing about it, you can watch it and you can prepare.
I like it.
You've been eating it the way you eat it.
Okay, next is your turn. நீ என்ன சொல்லி கொடுக்க போற?
Simple கீரை பொரியல்.
Okay.
Everyday household one. Easy to make. You love it. நீங்க டெய்லி நீ அண்ணன் ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே பிடிக்கும். ரைஸோட சாப்பிடலாம், சப்பாத்தி கூட you can eat it. Very minimum ingredients and fresh கீரை.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Spinach எடு. கீரை is just greens. கீரை பொரியல் is sauteing greens. Any type of greens. You can make கீரை கூட்டு. You can make கீரை மசியல், கீரை புளி போட்டு கடையிறது. And also கீரை சாம்பார். South India there are so many varieties of கீரை. Fresh கீரை. அரைக்கீரை, முளைக்கீரை, சிறுங்கீரை, தண்டுக்கீரை. எந்த கீரையுமே இல்லைன்னா வீட்டு பின்னாடி இருந்து முருங்கைக்கீரை கொண்டு வந்து they will make and it's so delicious and very healthy. So நம்ம இங்கே we mostly use palak or spinach, cleaned, washed and chopped up spinach. ஒரு சின்ன வெங்காயம் roughly chopped. அதுக்கப்புறம் 1 or 2 garlic roughly chopped. Okay? இதுதான் main ingredients. And then we have a little bit of mustard seeds, ஒரு 1/4 teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 2 dried red chilies. So ஒரு large skilletல oil கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 2 teaspoon போட்டுட்டு கொஞ்சமா இன்னும் கூட போட்டுக்கலாம் போதும். And then oil heat ஆன பிறகு mustard போடணும் first. mustard மட்டும் தள்ளணும்.
Okay. இது தெரிக்கும் தானே?
ஆமாம், மஸ்டர்ட் வந்து வெடிக்கணும். இப்போ போடு, அதை போடு
எல்லாமே.
நான் புத்து உரத்தால் அந்த ரெட் சில்லிஸ். ஆனியன் எடு. Let the urad dal become brown. Turns brown. Now add onions and garlic. As soon as onion or pinch of salt போட்டினா onion will quickly cook. Water will be released and the onion will cook. உங்களுக்கு spice வேணும்னா, you want a little spicy,
Yes.
you can add a little bit of chili powder to it. Kashmiri chili powder. Little of chili powder. Okay?
Good.
Okay, வெங்காயம் வதங்கிருச்சு. Now you add spinach powder. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா போட்டு பண்ணு. திட்டுணும் இல்லை. And then keep stirring. கீழே அடி பிடிக்காம. All that till கீரை gets cooked. Probably a couple of minutes.
And that's it?
That's it. You're done. இதுக்கப்புறம் you finish it by garnishing, adding coconut, grated coconut to it. It gives you a nice nutty flavor to it. இது கூட வந்து sometimes protein வேணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா you can add a can of chickpeas. இல்லைன்னா to make it meaty, you love potatoes, right? You can add உன்னுடைய air fried potatoes.
Oh, nice.
Or boiled cubed potatoes you can add to it. So it's a single dish. ஒரு main dish ஆயிடும் அதுவே.
There's like 5 minutes.
Yes.
Exactly 5 minutes.
Yes.
My turn to taste this. Although to be fair, I've had this hundreds of times. But this is my first time seeing how easy it is to make and how fast it is. Okay, this time we'll cheers.
Cheers. Super delicious.
So good. ஆமா, எல்லாருமே சாப்பிடலாம். இருக்கு. Alright guys, that's it. 2 vegan, healthy, quick and easy recipes. One that my mom taught me and then one that Purple Carrot taught both of us. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out Purple Carrot, please check out the link in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next one.
Thank you for watching.
இங்க பாரு.
மார்கன்னு நினைச்சு 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. திருப்பி சொல்கிறேன். Cloves of garlic.
Cloves of garlic.
Thinly slice the garlic. கொசு மறந்துட்டு இருக்கா சீமா. What? Quick, nothing.